We have been making a lot of delicious strawberry dessert lately, from strawberry cupcakes to a strawberry rhubarb crumble cake. So today I thought it would be fun to try something a little different, strawberry cheesecake cookies. They are crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, and filled with a creamy strawberry cheesecake center. First, we need to prepare the strawberry jam filling. Finely chop the strawberry and place them in a saucepan over the medium heat. Add enough sugar to lightly cover the surface of the strawberries. I didn't want the filling to be overly sweet, so I kept the sugar fairly minimal. Let the strawberries cook until they begin to break down and release their juices. Once softened, blend everything until smooth. Return the mixture to the heat and continue cooking until it becomes thick. Once the jam is thick enough, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Now let's prepare the cheesecake filling. In a bowl, combine cream cheese, granulated sugar, vanilla, and the zest of 1 lemon. Mix until smooth, creamy, and fully combined. Next, add about 4 teaspoons of cooled strawberry jam. Gently fold it into the cream cheese mixture. Don't fully mix it. You want beautiful streaks of strawberry running through the filling. Using an ice cream scoop, portion the filling onto a parchment-lined tray and place it in the freezer until completely firm. While the filling is freezing, it's time to make the cookie dough. We will start by making brown butter. Place the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. First the butter will melt, then it begins to foam. Keep stirring continuously. As the water evaporates, the foam will gradually disappear and the milk solid at the bottom of the pan will turn golden brown. You will know it's ready when it's developed a deep golden color and a wonderful, nutty, caramel-like aroma. Immediately transfer the brown butter to a bowl and allow it to cool. Once cooled, add white sugar and brown sugar. Whisk everything together until well combined. Next, add milk, 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Mix until smooth. Now add flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt and vanilla. Using a spatula, mix everything together until a smooth cookie dough forms. Cover the dough and refrigerate for a few hours until firm. Once chilled, divide the dough into 100-gram portions. Flatten each piece of dough in your hand and place 1 frozen cheesecake filling portion in the center. Carefully wrap the dough around the filling and roll it into a smooth ball. Transfer the filled cookie dough balls to a tray and freeze them again for 2 to 3 hours. This extra chilling step helps the cookies keep their shape in the oven, prevent excessive spreading, and create those beautiful bakery-style cracks on top. Before baking, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Sprinkle a little granulated sugar over each cookies. This helps create a lightly caramelized surface and gives the cookies an even prettier finish. Bake until golden brown around the edges. And here is the final result. Just look at that creamy strawberry cheesecake center. The filling is rich, smooth, and packed with a strawberry flavor, while the brown butter adds a subtle nutty depth that makes these cookies incredibly delicious. If you love a strawberry dessert, I highly recommend giving these cookies a try. If you enjoyed this recipe and would like to see more homemade breads, cakes, and dessert, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.